Hello everyone. This video is a follow-up on my previous video. In the previous video, I showed you how to use Trivy to scan for the images. This video, I will show you how to use Trivy to scan for the pods. I will be creating some sample pods and I will show you how to use Trivy to scan for the images inside the pods, whether they are vulnerable or not. So let's get started. So I'll create a namespace called Trivy pod check, and inside this namespace I'll be launching all my sample pods. So the namespace has been created. Now I will create 4 sample pods. So my first pod is Alpine. I'm using image also Alpine, and I want the pod to be long living. That's why I'm giving argument sleep 3600, that is for sleep for 1 day. So this pod has been created. So same way I'll be repeating the same steps for busy box image, and I want all the pods to be long living so that I can perform all my testing on those pods. So I'll create a third image node. It is using Node.js image, and I'm calling the pod name exactly same as the image so that it's easy to identify those pods and images. Okay, so all the 4 pods have been created. Now to see now for Trivy to actually work, we need the image name. In the exam usually you will not get the exact name of image, so you can run some command like this which will tell you exactly this is the custom columns command, output custom columns. So name is the column header, so you can call name header anything that you like. But inside that you have to give the exact JSON path. So it's .metadata.name, and second column is image, and I'm giving the JSON path .spec .containers because it's an array, and .image. So like this, if you specify, you will be able to get the name of the pod as well as the name of the image. So I have got all the pod name as well as the image name. So okay, next I will show you how to scan for the images. So I will be using 2 parameters. I just want to make it very obvious. Dash capital E is for extended regex, and small dash I will be case insensitive. So those 2 are just comments. So let's say something like you have to find these in the image, you have to find vulnerabilities which are high and critical. So you can give something like this: Trivy image, that's a keyword, name of the image, grep dash capital E because we are using a pipe symbol, and I for case insensitive. So if you are okay, you copy paste high and critical as it is, then you don't have to specify I, but it doesn't hurt to specify the way it is, because it's much more safer. So we see that Alpine doesn't have any vulnerability which are high and critical. Next I will run for the busy box. And busy box also doesn't have any vulnerability which are high and critical. Third one is node. So node has got a lot of high and critical vulnerabilities. So I will delete that pod. So let's say the scenario is delete the pod which has got high and critical severity level. So I'll delete the node pod. Okay, the node pod is deleted. Now I will scan for the last Python pod. And Python also has got high and critical vulnerabilities. So I have to delete Python pod as well. So while deleting, I can specify force flag. So this will be much faster. Okay, so that also has got deleted. Now I can just quickly check which all pod I have got. So I have 2 pods running. So okay, I'll just perform some cleanup. So I can just, this is just a part of cleanup. My objective is achieved. Alpine and Busybox doesn't have any vulnerabilities which are high and critical. So I'm just doing some cleanup for myself. Right. So this is how you use Trivy to scan for the pods. Thanks for watching. Bye.